Today, we have something truly exciting to talk about, the new official Google Pixel 9 Pro sneak peek video. Google has given us a glimpse into their latest flagship, and it's making quite a statement. Let's dive into the details of this exciting reveal. This morning, Google surprised Pixel fans by releasing the first official clear look at the upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro. After days of massive leaks, we finally have a sneak peek video that shows us exactly what the device will look like, and it's not just a prototype or a leaked render. The video starts with Gemini asking what it can do for the user today. The user responds with a detailed prompt asking Gemini to write a breakup letter to their old phone. The request goes, "Write me a breakup letter. Tell them I found something new that actually feels magical, not just the same old thing. Oh, and have it start, 'Dear old phone.'" As the video progresses, the Pixel 9 Pro is slowly revealed, showing off its back in the elegant porcelain color. Along with this reveal, there's a reminder that the Made by Google event is coming up soon on August 13th. The video description teases the Pixel 9 Pro as a phone built for the Gemini era. It can do a lot, even let your old phone down easy. Beyond the video, we've also seen leaked images of prototypes that provide a closer look at the Pixel 9 Pro's design. The device features a flat display, a significant departure from the curved screens seen in previous models. This shift to a flat display aligns with trends seen in recent iPhones and Samsung Galaxy devices. There's even talk of a titanium frame, which suggests a premium build quality. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 series is expected to be powered by Google's own Tensor G4 chipset, promising enhanced performance and efficiency. This chipset is anticipated to deliver improved speed, battery life, and overall user experience, setting a new standard for Google's flagship devices. One of the major highlights of the Pixel 9 Pro is its camera module. The triple camera setup is rumored to include a wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lens. Google's Pixel phones have always been renowned for their exceptional computational photography, and the Pixel 9 Pro aims to elevate this further. We can expect stunning photos, superior low-light performance, and advanced AI-driven features that make capturing moments easier and more enjoyable. Google has officially announced its Made by Google event on August 13th, where the Pixel 9 Pro is expected to take center stage. This event is not just about the Pixel 9 Pro. We're also looking forward to the debut of the rest of the Pixel 9 series, including the Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro XL, Pixel 9 Pro Fold, also known as the Pixel Fold 2, and the Pixel Watch 3. This sneak peek video of the Google Pixel 9 Pro is just the beginning. The sleek design, advanced camera system, and the promise of the new Tensor G4 chipset are all very exciting. As we gear up for the Made by Google event, it's clear that Google is ready to make a significant impact in the smartphone market with its latest offerings. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on the Google Pixel 9 Pro? Are you excited about the new features and design? Let me know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video. In a few months' time, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will succeed the iPhone 15 Pro Max and take on the mantle as the best and most advanced iPhone out there. Although there's plenty of time until September and a lot can change, we seem to know a lot about the upcoming top iPhone model based on rumors and leaks. How is the iPhone 16 Pro Max shaping up against its predecessor? What's changing and what's staying the same? Let's see how the iPhone 16 Pro Max shapes up against the current best iPhone Apple has in its roster. First up, let's talk about design and size. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will inherit the same design language as the iPhone 15 Pro Max, employing the same titanium frame with a completely flat screen. The major difference between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be size. The upcoming iPhone screen will grow to 6.9 inches across, a significant bump over the iPhone 15 Pro Max's 6.7-inch display. To achieve this, they're likely shrinking the bezels down even further and making the phone itself slightly larger overall. As per the rumors, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will measure 163mm in height and 77.58mm in width versus 159.9mm and 76.7mm for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, respectively. A small but notable change, all things considered. The iPhone 15 Pro Max debuted with an action button instead of a mute switch and a USB Type-C port at the bottom, so those two features will be carrying over to the newer model as well. However, the iPhone 16 series will be scoring another button, dubbed the Capture button. Colors-wise, the iPhone 15 Pro Max was available in 4 understated and titanium-inspired colors. We've heard that Apple might use another titanium processing technique that will make the iPhone 16 Pro Max glossier and also more capable of retaining colors. Moving on to display differences. As mentioned, the iPhone 16 Pro Max will come along with a significantly larger display, measuring at 6.9 inches across. Aside from the size, when you don't clearly expect any other major changes, we're certainly getting a liquid Retina XDR display with an OLED panel delivering superb colors, contrast, and exceptional maximum brightness. The screen will support 120Hz ProMotion refresh rate, making scrolling through the interface and on-screen content way smoother. Now let's delve into performance and software. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will feature a second-generation 3nm chip, possibly dubbed Apple A18 Pro. As one can imagine, we expect that the Apple A18 Pro will have better performance than the Apple A17 Pro. Due to the heavily rumored focus on AI for both iOS and the iPhone 16 range, we expect that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will come with a much improved neural engine to take care of all the generative AI features. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will also be a first to debut iOS 18 with a focus on artificial intelligence features. The new iPhone 16 Pro Max will also support faster Wi-Fi 7 and a more power-efficient 5G modem, keeping you future-proofed on the connectivity front. Let's talk about the camera. As the iPhone 15 Pro Max delivers a host of important camera features, chief among which is the new 120mm telephoto lens, the iPhone 16 Pro Max could finally address one of the forgotten cameras that hasn't recently scored any significant overhauls, the ultra-wide. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo believes that Apple will be introducing a 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. When it comes to audio quality, iPhone Pro Max devices are always up there with the best, setting the benchmarks for all other manufacturers to measure up against. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will be no exception. The same generally applies to haptics too. iPhones are arguably the best devices when it comes to haptic feedback, giving us precise and accurate vibrations that are sufficiently strong yet not overpowering. Lastly, battery life and charging. The iPhone 16 Pro Max will reportedly feature a much larger 4,676 mAh battery compared to the 4,422 mAh battery in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Charging-wise, we haven't heard anything about a potential charging speed increase, but we hope to see one on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. So far, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is shaping up to be a logical improvement to the iPhone 15 Pro Max, delivering key upgrades in important areas like screen size, performance, AI, and battery life. Thus far, we haven't heard anything particular about a potential price increase, so it's safe to assume that the iPhone 16 Pro Max will start at $1,199 for the 256GB version. Of course, if there's an iPhone 15 Pro Max in your pocket, then you'll probably have few reasons to upgrade to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Stay tuned for more updates on the iPhone 16 Pro Max as we get closer to its release date. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest tech news and reviews. Thanks for watching. Until next time.